cut. That's it. You come out. She's supposed to see somebody come stand up, so.
Okay.
With the map and the mask. Alright?
You know that man? Don't back a lot.
I'm like, look how much that
Running a lock of that. Lock of myself in there. Like that.
See? I'm going to catch you. Okay, yeah?
I did stop here, so come back here.
Yeah, just back in, grab the
Yeah.
grip.
So now you're also. Yeah. So, no, pick her up from here, sir. You want to pass that to them? No, but you're not in the shot if you go there, sir. Yeah. Alright. So, put your hands in the rolling. Action.
That is it.
Make her run from up there, so for me, no. No, that's good.
That's step back there.
We can go in and go around the side. When I move, you move. Just like that.
Okay.
Rolling. Start move. Rolling. Slowly. Go.
Swab it.
Okay.
Rolling. Action. Oh, okay. But why though?
Whenever give someone in starts up. Okay.
You asked me once if I knew my partner, and I said yes, I did, but I don't think I do.
Okay. I'm not going to get up.
No.
Okay.
I'll let you.
Rolling.
Yeah, good, Luna. Yeah, ready? I said, he's scaring me, Mr. Mullins. Yes, I'm asleep. I don't know who he is anymore, and I don't, and I think he may be involved in some shady things.
Sorry, and she was saying, you kill yourself, Luna.
Yeah, Luna can't tell lie.
Certainly.
Rolling.
Okay.
And action.
He's scaring me, Mr. Mullins.
Oh, she never already.
So you start with that side.
Yeah, okay.
He's scaring Mr. Mullins. Then you pause and go to the next one. Rolling.
I know that's enough.
No, it's good.
Oh,
Yeah.
Shady.
Never repeat it.
What's his response?
Yeah.
Christina is on the line.
So response. No, finish everything. Finish everything. And then what's his line after?
Shady, what kind of shady?
Yes.
What kind of shit?
So you know you have to respond to the Mr. Mullins. And then make you finish. And then you shake it. Alright?
so me I'll pause and make you respond to Mullins and then you say I don't
No,
know.
just say the same way you did it. You look a pause between and then cut.
And I think he may be involved in some shady things.
Shady? Shady like what?
I'm not sure.
Classic Mr. Mullins.
But you never saw me look down on my phone.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's how we want to make sure.
Line?
I'm not sure, but it may have something to do with cruise ships. Okay.
Hey, Tony, you think Tony idea? Tony knows from cruise ship mentioned, you know. And then I can answer. Rolling and action.
I'm not sure, but I think it may be involved with something related to some cruise ships.
Cruise ship. Throw this and tone them
Come
water.
on, Mr.
And Mullins tone.
Wow.
Come on, you.
Right?
Which means you must have checked out my background.
Rolling and action.
Come on, Mr. M. You are the one that recruited me, and you must have checked out my background.
That is basically everything that I've had anything to do with your personal life. I wanted to know about your professional life.
What we're at the
And if you were really serious about the oath you took
as a doctor.
as a doctor. Yeah. It's a personal life. I don't have anything else to look at.
Yeah, here we go. Rolling